Today, join us for a real look at Sofeyya's 4.0 factory and its smart manufacturing power. Our intelligent curing warehouse has 2,278 cabinets, storing up to 100,000 boards, far beyond small manufacturers. Each board is sterilized and cooled for 7 to 10 days before production to ensure quality. This digital screen shows the full process in real time: cutting, edging, drilling, inspecting, and packaging. Boards enter the dust-free workshop for cutting. 16 precision machines cut large panels into smaller ones. Next, robotic arms transfer the boards for edge banding. Edging defines durability and the user experience. AI Vision now replaces manual checks, strict standards with hazards, bringing safety and sustainability to every home. Six-sided drilling ensures accuracy and stability. Here, standards and efficiency are pushed to the limit. Robots work in perfect sync through every step. Products are sorted quickly and accurately. Automated packaging adds corner guards to prevent damage in transit, assuring safe delivery in perfect condition. In the finished warehouse, cabinets wait neatly for shipping. Every product is a result of standardization and smart manufacturing. A true brand grows with time and strict standards. Sofeyya's 4.0 factory delivers quality, safety, and sustainability for every home.